Hello lovelies, I'm Cristianco, and on this episode of Kikilicious we're gonna cook a traditional Albanian dessert called sweet Pufka. This dessert has a unique flavor, and with only a few ingredients, you're gonna have everybody craving for some more. Let's go over the ingredients. First, we need to have a simple syrup. So in a big pot, let's put some sugar, water, and 2 to 3 cloves. Let it simmer in high heat until the sugar is dissolved, and then keep it on low until the sweet Pufka are baked. For the Pufka, we're gonna need eggs, baking soda, powdered milk, and cornstarch. If you're asking if we can substitute powdered milk, no we cannot, because this is the key ingredient, so we cannot substitute for alternative or regular milk. In a big bowl, mix together with a fork, eggs, and baking soda. Then transfer it to a spatula and add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You're gonna keep the ratio 1:1 until we have the final dough. In the baking pan that we're baking the sweet Pufka, let's put some corn oil or some sunflower oil. Let's put some oil in our hands as well, and then let's grab a piece of dough. If we can roll this piece of dough easily into a bowl, then the dough is ready. If it gets a bit sticky, then add some powdered milk and some cornstarch in the ratio 1:1. Roll the dough into bowls as big or as small as you like. Then preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and then put the sweet Pufka to bake. It's gonna be baked for around 10 minutes, but keep an eye on it because they bake really fast. Once the sweet Pufka are baked, we're gonna transfer them from the oven to the syrup. The syrup needs to be hot but not boiling or simmering. Once we've transferred the sweet Pufka into the hot, let's say, syrup, we're gonna add some plates just to keep the sweet Pufka down in the syrup. After 10 minutes or so, we're gonna remove this plate and then we're gonna let them soak for a few more minutes. Enjoy as they are, hot and full of syrup, or let them become cold. Once they are cooled in room temperature, keep the sweet Pufka in a bowl in the refrigerator, but keep in mind that the syrup needs to be covering the sweet Pufka. For the ingredients and the full recipe, go into the description in the website link. I really hope you enjoy the recipes, and I'm waiting for some pictures. Give it a thumb up if you like this video and subscribe if you want to get notified in real time for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this time with me. Until the next episode, have a nice time. Goodbye!